Hello, if you want your desk lamp to look like this, then keep watching. So here I have TOOLOUR desk lamp, and this one is a gooseneck desk lamp, and I'm going to show you what's in the box. So we have a thank you letter from the seller and a instruction guide which explains everything about the light and their functions and how to install it. And it has some amazing cool features which I'm going to show you shortly. So this is what the light looks like out of the box. As you can see, it is a very heavy built material and it is very strong and sturdy. It has the built-in remote control, as well as it has a separate remote control to operate. And this is the connector pin, which has a separate cable which connects to this, which I'm going to show you shortly. So this is a gooseneck desk lamp with a lot of flexibility. So in the box there is a adjustable table clamp, and this is the power adapter. With this pin which will go into that other connector, and there is a remote control. And there is a metal base which is 9-inch wide, and this is pretty heavy. It has an anti-slip lining on the bottom so that it doesn't slide or move, and it has a very steady base. It also comes with the screw and the hex key. So there are 4 screws and 1 hex key, or 5 screws actually. So this is very convenient as they provide the hex key, and this is a 8-way adapter, and I will show you how to use this one as well, which is very easy, and I will show you shortly how does it look. So this is how it looks as I put it on my table, and this is the remote control. Make sure to pull off the plastic that is between the battery, and it has a seamless dimming option, and it has a 10 brightness level, just like this. You can choose the left side or the right side of the light to work, or you can choose both depending on how much lighting you need on your desk. It has a 24 watt and 1500 lumen light, which is pretty bright, and you can set it up with the steady base, or you can also install it directly to your table to save some space. So this is how the clamp will fit. And now if your table is short like mine, then you can also fit it like this under the table on the edge, and then this 8-way clamp will go here so that you can insert the light into this socket right here. So this is how the lamp looks like. If you like this review, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for the future upload. Also, you can check out my channel page for other reviewed products on my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.